this lab we will use several applications starting from Tracker. This one we will use Excel graphical analysis. This button lets us to find the video to the tracker. Press. That video usually is on a desktop or in your downloaded folder. You find it, you open it. Now we need to establish a conversion factor between meters and pixels. Click, hold and grab and drag to the left end of a meter stick. Alright, I believe that the location of the left end of the meter stick was at 1325, yeah, here, position in pixels. The right one. Now we can establish the conversion factor between meters and pixels. 1 meter should be equal to the difference 1 pixel to be equal 1 over. Now we have to start taking data. To establish a tracking mode, click Track, New, Point Mass. Now click on the screen just in case, and if you press and hold the left shift, you should see a cursor marker. Of course, this is not how we will use it. We will use it like this. Press and hold left shift button on your keyboard. A marker you can use to track the motion. Just click, release the shift button, press again, click, and this is how you track the motion of a cart. Alright, done with this. Now we will have to use the data to analyze the motion. For that, let's first transfer the data points to an Excel file. Press and hold Shift, copy, paste, make it a little bit clearer. Time is measured in seconds, but the position in pixels. We want to convert it into meters. We can use our conversion factor. So this should be equal to this divided by, now we can use this equation. So this is what we need to enter into the graphical analysis. So first let's do time. Again, Shift, copy, graphical analysis, enter. Well, let's edit. That should be time in seconds. Now let's transfer position in meters relative to certain origin. We don't know where it is, we don't care. So copy, paste. We see nice dots. So let's make it the position in meters. Now we can use the functions of this software to have a nice linear fit. The motion of the bottom card has been analyzed. Now we need to erase everything. Go back to the beginning of the video and start tracking the motion of the top card. Click, shift and hold. How to measure slope or tangent in the graphical analysis app. So click, open the menu. Normally the tangent function is switched off, so you can switch it on. And now if you click on any point, you will see the coordinates of this point, 2, 4, and the value of the slope, which is tangent. You can click to another point and then another point, and when you don't need it anymore, you can close it and uncheck